Hey, what's going on YouTube? Todd from MaxKing.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an email with aweber. Aweber is an email service that will host and hold all your email contacts, and you can send them emails each day, put them in your funnel to make money. And this is how you send a message. Excuse me. So first thing we go through is messages. This is your home page. Go to broadcast. And what you want to do is go here and hit create message. If it loads up. Here we go. You can go to plain text, or you can use the drag and drop email builder, which I tend to use that anyway. My computer's running slow today. It doesn't take this long to load this up. Alright, so we're here. Hit the subject line here, which I have a pre-swipe here from a product I am promoting. So we'll come here, hit copy. We'll go back to aweber here, and we can paste that or write your own, whatever. And you can personalize this to the subscriber's location, the subscriber's name, full name, IP address. I did IP address would probably be where they are, location. Let's do city. All right, so this will geo target from in their city. So it said from phone with their city name. So make it more personal. So here's the body of the text, and I have a let's go back to that email swipe, and we'll copy and paste these. All right, we'll copy, and this is to show you how to do it. Okay, we'll come here, we'll paste. Okay, so what you want to do is, of course, you want to remove this and put, click here for more info. All right, so this is your email. It don't gotta be big or small. You can put best and my initials there, and we'll put our affiliate link here. So my affiliate link is right here from ClickBank. This is a ClickBank product that I am promoting. So we'll go here, we'll highlight it to this little thing right here, the link. Click that, and we can put the link right here, and you see display text. This is what is highlighted. Hit OK, and we'll go to save and exit, or whatever content you want up here. That's fine. You can put a video in here, you can put buttons, you can put products on here, your logo, coupon, your signature. You can put a lot of stuff in this, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go as fast as I can. So go to save and exit. And make sure we're still recording. Okay. Okay, so here's our email here. So what you need to do is go to send options, and you want to schedule the broadcast. Okay, so here's options here for the broadcast. You can send to your Twitter, which I will do, and you can send this to your Facebook, which I will do, and hit apply. All right, so all the active subscribers here. When should this be sent? And one of the best things with aweber, it has a calendar of all your posts. So all we're going to do is, we have one for Christmas Eve. Let's do this, and let's put this at 4 o'clock, because people will be opening gifts in the morning or in the afternoon. So put that 4 o'clock and you hit apply. And do you want any automated tags? No, we don't. If the subscriber does this and, you know, add a tag to them, we don't want to do none of that. And these options here, track clicks on website, links to the page. So when they click on a link on your email, it'll track it for you. And that's it. You hit schedule and it's done. Or you can hit send immediately and you send an email right now. So that's how you send an email with aweber. It's very easy to use. And if you don't have aweber, and we're doing a lot of research on aweber because there's so many different autoresponders out there, I usually use SendLane, and from SendLane I went to aweber because SendLane I felt I couldn't put on my blog, I couldn't use lead pages with it, you know, 2 years ago. So I switched over to aweber, and I've been happy ever since. If you're on the fence, I say try to get the free trial. It's 30 days free trial. And the free trial is not a limited, you know, access. You get what I get. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I have here, you get the same thing for your 30-day trial. Try it for 2-3 weeks. If you don't like it, just ask for your money back. Okay? And, you know, after 30 days, you'll be charged, I think it's $19 a month. $19 a month, not too expensive, and it's a great service. Okay? So this is Todd for thexking.com. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with people who want to join aweber and has stuck on the fence aweber. And I'll see you next time.